Okay, geometry, we are going to go over our Unit 7, Day 3 formative. So the first problem asks, it says, given the lengths of these side lengths, is it possible to make a triangle? Well, we take the two shorter sides, which are 14 and 12, we add them up, we see that they're definitely greater than 17, so yes, it's possible to make a triangle. What type of triangle is it? Well, now we have to do c squared. Is it greater than, less than, or equal to a squared plus b squared? C has to be the longest side, so C has to be 17. So I type in 17 squared into my calculator and I get 289. And then I type in 14 squared plus 12 squared and I get 340. So that means that C squared is less than a squared plus b squared, making it an acute triangle. Number 2. Solve for x and y. All right, so the first thing we notice is this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. That means the length of both of the legs is the same. So y will be 6. And x should be 6 square root of 2. Okay? The second one. So this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. 30 degrees is here. That means the side opposite is the shortest side. So we are given the hypotenuse. So to get the short side from the hypotenuse, we divide by 2. So y should be 2. And then times the square root of 3. The short side times the square root of 3 gives us the long side. So that's 2 square root of 3. This one gives us an angle, and it's not special, so we're going to have to use trig. This side in relationship to this angle is opposite, and this side is not the hypotenuse, adjacent, right next to it. So the trig ratio that gives us opposite over adjacent is tangent. So the tangent of 55 degrees, and make sure your calculator is in degrees, unless of course you're using Desmos, you don't have to worry, it's already in degrees, should equal x over 15. Now this is like a proportion that you would cross multiply and solve. So you get 15 times the tangent of 55 degrees should be x. Take out your calculator and you should, it says round to one decimal place, you get 21.4. Number 4. So they're asking us now to match the correct method to each problem. So if we go ahead and just take a look at each of the problems here. This is 60 degrees. So this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. That's going to be special right triangles right there. Then we go to this one on the right here, and I see that it's not special. However, we are given the measure of an additional angle besides the right angle, and we're given the opposite side and the hypotenuse, so we can use actually trigonometry. So that's regular trigonometry. For the third one down here, we're asked to find the measure of an angle, so we know immediately that is going to be inverse trig. And the last one, we have a right triangle. We're given the lengths of two sides, and we're asked to find the third side. So that is Pythagorean theorem. And that is all. Peace out.